Where did you come in from?
I traveled all the way from the great state of Maryland, the city of Baltimore, Baltimore County, to get here. And I just had to get here because I have a vision of starting a mentoring program, which I feel is much needed in the city and the county where I reside, to help students who are suffering from the effects of COVID-19 in terms of their academic and emotional needs at this time, and their tutoring needs. I would like to provide services not only to the students, but also to the schools and the colleges. So I made my way here, and I got a good rate on Southwest. And so I said, I got to get there. And so I had a lot of questions. And just about all of my questions have been answered. I had questions about the importance of having a business plan to get funding. And so I know that I need to work on that a little bit more. And also, a lot of other questions were answered as well.
Excellent. And so what, if you had to pick one key takeaway today that you're going to bring to your business idea, what would that be?
Oh, that's a difficult question. There are so many key things that I wrote down in my journal. But creating a legacy that I want to share, and then knowing the difference between creating the legacy and having a dream. So I understand that I am trying to create something that will have a lasting impact on the students and the communities, but it's also a dream that that still lives in my mind and in my spirit, that I want to move from the inside to manifestation and implementation stage.
Excellent, excellent. And are you going to be here tomorrow?
I will be here tomorrow, so I'm looking forward to receiving more information, and all of the presenters have been excellent, and I really am glad that I came, and I feel like it has been a very worthwhile endeavor, and I want to thank Dr. Cecelia GreeneBarr for her vision to put this all together, and it has really been a very worthwhile experience. Thank you so much.